Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Tuesday, lifted by shares in energy, food and staples retailing, as well as the U.S. semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors. Now, on the economic docket, it was indeed a beat across the board, with U.S. manufacturing orders gaining 6.2% in June. Durable goods orders, they gained 7.6% in June. This all as 61% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, it's after the market closed when we saw Walt Disney posting its third quarter adjusted EPS of 8 cents, beating expectations versus $1.34 a year earlier. Sales coming in down 42% at $11.78 billion below forecast, while Disney Plus subscribers fell just short of estimates. The company's theme parks losing $1.96 billion in the quarter compared to a rise of $1.72 billion a year earlier. Moving on, CVS Health surging before hours after reporting quarterly earnings that beat estimates, and also while raising its full-year forecast. And also on the corporate front, Beyond Meat reporting a second quarter adjusted LPS of 2 cents, beating expectations versus an adjusted EPS of 5 cents a year ago. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results due out for Humana as well as Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. Also on the economic docket today, we have a busy session before the opening bell. 7 o'clock in the morning, the MBA 30-year mortgage rate. 8:15 in the morning, we have the release of ADP employment figures, so that's private payrolls. 8:30 in the morning, we have the release of both import and export data. 9:45 in the morning, right after the opening bell, we have the release of market services PMI. 10 o'clock in the morning, ISM non-manufacturing PMI figures. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 3,300, and that's in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calling for further upside. Long positions above 3,300 are favored, with targets at 3,325 and 3,347 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, intraday, that sees further upside, while the Dow Jones intraday, that continues to see further upside as well.